Hi, this is Rock. We're going to look at true and false. What is truth? Well, in Excel, equals true is a function that when you choose it, notice that there's no arguments needed. It's that true. You don't need to tell it anything. You just say equals true and hit enter, and that cell contains that value. You can do the same thing for false. Again, it just returns the logical value false. Even though this seems very straightforward, these building blocks suddenly become exactly the mortar or the rebar for this building that you're doing of the information you're using in your spreadsheet. So true and false, it couldn't be any more plain than that. Keep them as functions at the ready. For example, if you say if this equals true, that's typically where I would use it, is in an if statement. Then do something like say, yay, oh no. So, oh no, we'd rather have it be true. Yay, it's true. That's true and false. Next, we'll be looking at ifs, which is different than if. So we'll see how. See you then.